Hey everyone, listen to me carefully. Today I am here to talk to you. Yes, you, the one watching this video. Are you scrolling your phone again, watching reels, looking at other people's success and thinking, wow, they are so lucky? Let me stop you right there. Let me tell you a truth that no one else will tell you. Nobody is lucky. Nobody is born successful. They didn't get it because the universe handed it to them on a silver platter. They stayed up late, they woke up early, and they pushed themselves every single day to make their dreams come true. So ask yourself, what are you doing? Are you taking action or are you just thinking, wishing, and dreaming? Because here's the thing, dreams without action are nothing, absolutely nothing. Let me ask you something. Do you know who are you? Not your name, not your age, but who you really are. Are you someone who is just going to let life happening to them, or are you someone who's going to stand up, fight, and make their dreams a reality? Look at the people you admire, the businessmen, the singers, the athletes, the doctors. Do you think they had it easy? No, they had to fight for it. They had to make sacrifices. They had to fail again and again until they succeed. And you are sitting here thinking they are special? They are not special. They are just determined. They are focused and they are not scared of hard work. So tell me, what are you scared of? Your mom, your dad, your sister, your friends? Are you scared they won't understand you? That they will judge you or laugh at your dream? Let me tell you something. Stop caring what they think. Stop waiting for their approval. If your family doesn't believe in you, prove them wrong. If your friends laugh at your dreams, let them. Because one day, when you have made it, when you have achieved everything you ever wanted, those same people will say, "We always knew you could do it." But first, you have to start. Your comfort zone is killing your dreams. Let me say that again. Your comfort zone is killing your dreams. Do you want to know who your biggest enemy is? It's not your competition. It's not the people who doubt you. It's your comfort zone. Because comfort keep you safe, but it also keep you stuck. And nothing amazing ever happen when you are stuck. Do you think successful people live in their comfort zones? Do you think they sleep in, relax all day, and wait for success to knock on their door? No, they are out there hustling, learning, growing, and pushing themselves every single day. Let me tell you about myself. I don't enjoy going to the gym. I don't enjoy waking up early to exercise, but I do it. Why? Because I want to look in the mirror and see someone I am proud of. I want to feel strong, healthy, and confident. And that doesn't come from sitting around, it comes from putting in the work even when I don't feel like it. You don't have to climb the whole mountain today, but you do have to take the first step. Look at a baby learning to walk. They fall, they stumble, but they keep trying. Why? Because they are determined. They don't give up. So why should you? You are not too old, you are not too late, you are not too weak. The only thing holding you back is your mindset. Change your mindset and you can change your life. And don't tell me you don't have time. Everyone has 24 hours in a day. Successful people, struggling people, rich people, poor people, we all have the same amount of time. The difference is how we use it. So stop making excuses and start making progress. Do you know what hurts more than hard work? Regret. Imagine yourself 10, 20, 30 years from now, looking back on your life and thinking, I could have done more. I should have tried harder. Do you really want to live with that kind of regret? Let me tell you this, it's never too late to start, but it's always too early to give up. So don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the right time because there is no right time. The right time is now. Get up, make a plan, and take the first step because every step you take today brings you closer to your dreams. And trust me, when you achieve them, the feeling is priceless. Stop comparing yourself to others. Their journey is not your journey. Their success is not your success. Focus on your goals. Focus on your path. And remember this, success isn't about how fast you go, but how far you have willing to push yourself. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Even small step every day will take you to your destination. Let me give you an example. Imagine a doctor performing surgery. Do you think they are scared? Do you think their hands are shaking? No, they are confident. They are calm because they know what they are doing. But how did they get there? Do you think they woke up one day as a perfect doctor? No, they studied, they practiced, they worked day and night, sacrificed their comfort, and faced countless failures. They weren't born with that confident, they built it, and you can build it too. Whatever your dream is, whether you want to be a doctor, a teacher, a singer, or a businessman, the process is the same. Work, practice, and never stop trying. Let me tell you something, and I want you to listen carefully. The world is moving fast. People are building their empires, achieving their dreams, and living the life they always wanted. They are becoming millionaires and billionaires every single day. Do you think they are smarter than you? Do you think they are better than you? No. The only difference is that they are doing what you are afraid to do. They are working while others are sleeping. They are learning while others are partying. They are focused while others are distracted. And you know what? They all started where you are right now with nothing but a dream. So why can't you? Why can't you be the next millionaire, the next success story? I am here to tell you that you can. You absolutely can. I know some of you feel like life is too hard. You might be thinking, I can't do this. I have too many problems. But let me tell you this, your struggle is your greatest teacher. Every successful person you see today has a story of struggle. Oprah Winfrey was told she wasn't fit for TV. Steve Jobs was fired from the company he started. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a success. What if they had given up? They didn't. And that's why they are legend today. Your struggle is not the end. It's the beginning of your greatness. Embrace it, learn from it, let it make you stronger, smarter, and more determined. Your plan is temporary, but the lesson it teaches you will last forever. I want to say something directly to you. I believe in you. Yes, you. You who might be doubting yourself right now. You who might feel like giving up. Let me tell you, I believe you have everything it takes to achieve your dreams. But here's the thing, it's not enough that I believe in you. You have to believe in yourself. Stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I will. Stop saying, it's too hard. Start saying, it's possible. Your belief is the key to unlock your potential. If you don't believe you can do it, no one else will. Look at the people who are thriving. They are building businesses, creating art, leading company and making history. Why not you? They aren't superheroes. They don't have a special power. They have the same 24 hours in a day as you do. Do you know what sets them apart? They ask themselves one simple question: why not me? And then they acted. They didn't sit around waiting for someone to give them permission. They didn't waste time doubting themselves. They got up and started working on their dreams. So I am asking you now, why not you? Why can't you be the one who change your life, your family's life, and maybe even the world? You have the potential. You just need to believe it and act on it. Success is not about luck. It's not about waiting for the right moment. It's about action, consistency, relentless action. Think of a farmer planting seeds. Do you think they sit back and hope the seeds grow on their own? No. They water them, nurture them, and protect them. They work every day knowing that one day those seeds will grow into a beautiful harvest. Your dreams are like those seeds. You have to plant them, nurture them, and work on them every single day. Someday will be hard, someday will feel like nothing is happening, but trust the process because one day all your hard work will pay off and you will see your dreams becoming reality. You are stronger than you think. I know life can be tough. I know there are days when you feel like giving up. But let me remind you, you have survived every hard day you have ever had. You are still here, standing, breathing, and fighting. Do you know what that means? It means you are stronger than any challenge life can throw at you. You have already proven that you can handle pain, disappointment, and failure. So, why stop now? Why not use that strength to build the life you deserve? You have it in you. You just need to unleash it. The world is full of opportunity. There has never been a better time to chase your dream. Technology is advancing, information is everywhere. You have more tools, resources, and opportunity than any generation before you. So, what are you waiting for? The universe is abundant. There's enough success for everyone, but you have to grab your share. No one will hand it to you, no one will do it for you. You have to get out there and take it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself 5 years from now. Who do you want to be? What do you want your life to look like? Now open your eyes and ask yourself what I am doing today to make that vision a reality. Your future self is counting on you. They are begging you to make the right choice today. They are counting on you to work hard, stay focused, and never give up. Don't let them down. Make your future self proud. Listen, I know it's not easy. I know the journey is long and the road is hard. But I also know this. You can do this. You have everything it takes to succeed. You have the strength, you have the courage, you have the determination. All you need to do is take the first step and then the next and then the next. Because success is not a destination, it's a journey. And every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. So get up, get moving, and don't stop until you have achieved everything you have ever wanted. The world is waiting for you. Go out there, make it happen. All right, listen to me now. Everything I have said today, every word, every piece of advice, every bit of motivation, it all comes down to one thing: you. You are capable of more than you can imagine. You have the strength, the potential, and the power to create a life that other can only dream of. But it all starts with one simple decision: to take action. I want you to look in the mirror right now and say, I can do this. Say it like you mean it, because it's true. You can do this. You are not just another person in the crowd. You are destined for greatness. Don't let anyone or anything hold you back. Don't let fear or doubt stop you. Because when you keep pushing, when you keep believing in yourself, when you keep working day in and day out, you will succeed. I believe in you, and if you believe in yourself, there is nothing that can stop you. Keep moving forward, keep striving for your goal, make your parents proud, make your family proud. You have the power to change everything, not just for you, but for everyone around you. So go out there and make your dream comes true. You have got this, and I love you guys. Never forget that the greatest journey you will ever take is one that leads to your own success. Keep fighting, keep working, and keep believing you are unstoppable. This is your time. Let's make it happen.